Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your Canon G3411 printer to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your printer is powered on and ready, with enough ink and paper loaded. It is crucial to confirm your wireless network operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency, as this printer requires it. Also, place your printer within 10 to 15 feet of your router for the best connection. This setup prevents initial signal issues. To begin the connection process, locate the Wi-Fi button on your Canon G3411 printer. Press and hold this button until the alarm lamp flashes once, then release it promptly. Immediately press the Wi-Fi button again, and you should observe the Wi-Fi lamp start to blink blue. This blinking indicates your printer is now actively searching for a network to join, ready for the next step. You have two primary options for connecting your printer: the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. We highly recommend using the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app on your smartphone or tablet. It provides a guided, step-by-step process that simplifies the connection significantly. If your router has a WPS button, that is another quick option, but the app often offers more control. With the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app open on your device, tap Add Printer, and then choose Register Printer. The app will scan for available printers, and your G3411 should appear. Select your printer, and the app will guide you through connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to accurately enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. The app will confirm when the connection is successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.